Hello everyone, Robert here from Time for Dirt. Today we're going to do a project on my son's Type R. We're going to be installing some wind visors on the doors. I guess they're just called door visors. They're OEM, that's the Honda part number there. They've got the different visors. The rear ones are in the green and pink envelopes, and the front ones are in the blue and the white envelopes. And then we have the hardware and some alcohol wipes. We're going to get going on these. Okay, we're starting on the driver's front door here. The first thing we need to do is pull the run channel down a little bit here. Guess a little easier said than done with one hand. Hang on a second. A little easier when you have a cameraman.
Yes, which wouldn't it be camera
Person.
Woman.
Some clips.
He's got to get the clips and he's got to measure.
Okay, so there's some little clips we got to put in the run channels here. They want you to measure out, I think it was 71 millimeters from this point here. We marked it with a dry erase, and it was 205 millimeters from here. Again, we marked it with a dry erase, and we're going to put those into the run channels. Okay, so this one put just about the edge of the mark, and then we got to start fishing the run channel back in here. And then we'll go get the other bracket. And then same thing with this too. Fish it in here at the outside of the mark. Get the run channel back in here. Make sure it's seated really good. So the window doesn't bind up in the top. I measured wrong. Okay, so I made a goof. I measured from the wrong spot, but this is why you double and triple check everything. I was supposed to measure from the edge of the door, not from the inner edge of the door, at 205 millimeters. Basically just stick it on with the double stick tape, line it up with your brackets. It was easier to see the hole of the bracket through the visor with the door open because you shines light underneath it. There's the front one. Oh, we got our brackets in. We've put it back up here, double check that they line up with the little holes in the brackets. Now we're going to clean this off with the alcohol wipe and stick it on with the double stick tape. Okay, driver's side's all done. Looks good. We're going to do the same on the passenger side, and then we'll show you all the way around.
Okay, so the whole thing is done now. Came out really nice. Looks really good.